Hot people don't chase, they attract. Why is this? Because they are whole within themselves. They are abundant beings in all the aspects. They attract money, they attract attention, they attract all the love. Because when they are broke, they don't sit and cry that, oh God, I'm sad. Oh God, such bad things have happened with me. They go out and find the way. And they easily get the solution as well because of their mindset. When they feel bad about themselves, they don't sit rotting in their bed. They come out and do something about it. They have that mindset that I want to make myself better. A non hot person is so desperate that they keep chasing even the ones who don't want them. But a person who is hot, they let them go because they know that someone else would come, someone better would come. They believe themselves as an abundant being. They know that it is their world, they know that it is their life, and they are gonna make it the best one. And God's gonna help them with that. They know what they want and they don't settle for anything less. When they get to know about a person or an opportunity which doesn't match their goal, it get rejected because they don't want to create a hassle to achieve their goal. They don't want to waste their time. That's why being with someone who doesn't make you happier, more loved, what's the point of being with them? If someone isn't helping you to grow, if it isn't making you grow, what's the point of being there? And then the rest of the life you keep on complaining. Blame yourself instead. Stop settling for less. Be authentic. Being authentic or authenticity is the highest level of vibration a person can operate from. You attract everything because you aren't afraid of who you are. You are unapologetically yourself, and that's the highest level of confidence. People would be drawn to you. Comments shouldn't bother you. It shouldn't shake you. It should be like comment comes in, you said bye, and it goes out. A hot person is very confident and grounded within. They know who they are, what they did, why they did. When someone tries to bring them down, insult them by saying something foul about them, it doesn't do anything to them. It doesn't bother them. Someone respects you only when they see that you respect yourself. Why would someone respect someone who doesn't respect themselves? Why would they?